time from the last post. I think the last post was before my birthday, so it was before 14 Jan. Again, as usual, I stopped completely. I had no clue what to do. Uh, 3 months in between was a lot of self development, a lot of understanding in basis of work, and I thought, let me make a vlog because I'm going home after like 1 year, and I've decided to vlog again. Also, because I wanted to give you all this idea that whenever you feel that you're too much under stress and you don't really know what exactly you should be doing and you're like lost and all that, I think that's the best time when you should go home, and I'd rather say you should run back to your home, because that's what exactly I'm doing. Not that I was having a very rough time, not that I was having a very sad time. I would say I was heavily invested in my work, in my 9 to 5 job, and I was so invested that I was not getting time to vlog, or I did not want to actually get diverted. But then again, I realized that even though the 9 to 5 job makes me really happy, I'm a sales consultant, I'm a sales engineer. So I will come back to that later. So I really love doing my job. I think that was one reason why I was so heavily invested, and I really wanted to just focus on my work. But again, I realized that that wasn't something that was making me happy entirely, because I also wanted to be out there and I wanted to talk to you guys, because I know a lot of you people might feel uh, happy. A lot of you people might just listen to my voice and feel good, and also it's a good thing for me. I mean, telling my experiences out there. Me being a very spiritual person, I think I can sense energies, I can just get to know whatever is gonna happen. So I wanted to actually share all this creepy, share this all incidents with you guys, and that was the main reason for starting this vlog. But anyways, I got a bit deviated from my birthday. So from Jan, Feb, March, April, this April when I'm vlogging this, and it is 25th of April. So I'm going home on the 29th of April. I have a flight, so I've like taken 2 weeks of work from home. So it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be showing you how actually life looks in Kolkata. Even though it's very hot, I think day before yesterday it was 44 degrees in Kolkata, and I have no clue how I'm gonna survive, because comparatively Bangalore is much better right now. So anyways guys, let's have something different in life right now. I'm also planning of trying to get a job in Kolkata, because considering a lot of things, I also want to get heavily invested in my startup idea. I also want to do a job. I also want to learn new skills. I also want to vlog. So I'm like a person who not only like wants to do everything, but also believes that I can do everything. So yeah, now just saying that, let's get started. So again, right now it's I think 10:30 and I have a meeting to attend. I just got the notification. Let me get started, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Bye guys. This is the situation, guys. He is my manager, and yeah, there are almost 10 people. Uh, so a lot of things, you can look at my face and you all can understand that it has not been a very pleasant Sunday. It has been through a lot. I have been through a lot of packing had to be done, and finally I thought I'll do a short video, as in just to give you an update what's happening. Yeah, so as I said, my roommate was back, but I am leaving now for Kolkata. So I'll just show you the glimpse of Saturday night, how it is looking. Give me a moment. So y'all can see the mess, and that is me. Uh, so initially I had packed this bag and this bag, because I thought I had meetings and all, but now again shifting is going on. So I have packed this bag and I'll be carrying my laptop, charger, phone, and the necessities here. And this is the mess, a lot of mess, so all that is gonna be going to my handbag. So this I'll be taking with myself for checking. This will go for the luggage, and those things, again, it's a cluster. Also, I made a quick dinner. Also, I'm not very good at cooking, but yeah. Also, I have not a lot of idea about dressing and all that. I just want my tummy to be filled. Yeah, a quick dinner with three breads, two sausages, and two eggs. I think good enough. Also, my cupboard, it's like a mess. You all can see the dabba, one big bag here. Again, it's gonna be so messed up because there's very little space, as I had mentioned in my previous blog, uh, in my previous vlogs. So yeah, it's a very messed up look. uh, Anything else to update? I'm not quite sure. So tomorrow I have a meeting, a very tiring day tomorrow, from 10 a.m. to straight 6 p.m. The training is gonna go on. So yeah, tomorrow is gonna be quite a hectic day. And again, right, on Tuesday I have a morning meeting that just got confirmed. So I was just hoping, like, I was in a 50-50 condition where I really wanted this meeting to be conducted. And also because, as I said, it's a very quite a big deal. And also my meeting, I mean my flight is at 3:15, so I have to make sure that I reach Kempegowda airport by, I think, 2 hours prior. It's mandatory right now. So yeah. Also, this part of the bed looks quite good now because my roommate has come and, like, she has fixed everything almost. So yeah, that's that. It's very hot in Bangalore, and I'm not sure. I'm dreading for the weather in Kolkata, to be very honest, because I have no clue. It's so hot, but there's also a news that in the coming week there's gonna be heavy thunderstorms and rain and all that. Also, one more thing, as I was saying, that my life is very mysterious, as in, I always, most of the times, I know what's going to be happening, but again, the dates and times and how things unfold, it is completely on his, you know uh, at my Krishna's hand, or I don't know, I believe all of them, so I'm like very close to all of them. So I don't know whose choice it was, but I'm reaching on 29th in Kolkata, and 30th is Akshay Tithya. And I recently got to know that it is one of the auspicious days in the year. 30th is also one of my interviews, so it'll be in Kolkata itself. And yeah, that's that. Let's go, let's quickly finish the dinner, and also let's finish the rest of the packing, because tomorrow and day after, I don't want any stress in my life, to be very honest. But I don't know, Tuesday is going to be very hectic. I'll have this huge luggage to carry to the meeting, I mean to the client's place, and from there back to the airport. And then it's a long day. My flight, before booking, I was not very sure of the dates and the times. I just wanted to go home. Hastily I booked the flight, and later, only later, after I paid, after I received the tickets, and after I forwarded it to my family for checking, they told me that there's a stop in between, so it'll be stopping in Delhi. I think I was mentioning in the previous clip also, it's gonna be stopping in Delhi, and then from then again back to Kolkata CCU, and it'll land in 9 at 9:45. So approximately, I'm thinking that by the time I get out of the airport and all that, it's gonna be around 10:15ish or 10:20, and then by the time I reach home, it'll be around 11. So my house is pretty near to the airport. Like, if there's no traffic at all, I'll probably reach my home by 15 minutes or so. So yeah, that's that for today. I'll keep the clip short. I'm very excited for going home. Also, I was just speaking to my family, saying that, let's start this vlogging and all. They're very supportive. My sister is very supportive. I'm really really excited to show y'all my family how Kolkata is, how I am at my home, and yeah. So stay tuned, guys. Bye. Guys, just quickly wanted to check in. So today is the day when I'll be traveling, and I am ready, as you all can see. So yeah, I wore a white top, and below, actually I was wearing white and white, but then I realized that probably it's not so safe. So yeah, I changed it into a black jeans and a white top, which is, by the way, very very airport appropriate. Now this is the first time basically I'm going home looking like this, looking so professional, because as I said, there was a meeting in the morning, so my attire was already selected, but unfortunately, or I don't know, it was a 50-50 chance that if it gets cancelled, I'd be happy. Now, as usual, it got cancelled, and I was like a 50-50 happy. I was not very sure if I had to be happy or like sad, because it was a pretty big deal, almost like a 35 to 40 lakhs deal. So yes, a bit tense, but again, let's not talk about that, because now straight for 2 weeks I'm gonna be at home and I'm gonna have a lot of fun. So I'll be leaving by 11:30, and there's no makeup. I've just put a little bit of mascara, and yeah, that's it, because I'm sweating so much. There's no hope that I'm gonna be uh, doing anything else, because as soon as I land in Kolkata, it is going to be very very hectic. It's going to be very hot, so I want to be as free as possible. So yeah, I'm constantly getting work mails, which is so annoying, because today I do not want any kind of headache. Basically, I just want to go home. So my luggage is packed, and I've okay, is that, yeah, ooh, the back looks good actually. So anyways, guys, my luggage is ready, and also my backpack is ready, which is the the backpack which is going to go with me into the cabin. So yeah, that is that, and I'm gonna pick up some snacks, because there's a pause, there's a stop before booking the flight. I did not notice, so there'll be a stop in Delhi, as I think I had mentioned earlier, and yeah, that's that. So let's get going, and on the way probably I'll be showing. I'm super excited and nervous. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know, this is the first time I'm going home, but I'm so nervous. I just want everything to be fine. A lot of things has to be done, a lot of work, hectic, I'm actually carrying with me to Kolkata, so I'm not very sure, but I hope that I get to enjoy also, along with all the work pressures. So yeah, let's see. But it's being so hot, I'm already so annoyed, guys. So yeah, let's see you all in the cab, and then I'll show you a little bit process in the airport. Though I'm shy, I'm not very sure if I'm going to be vlogging, but yeah. So you all can let me know how I look. By the way, I'm not sure if this looks very great, so I'll probably be also, God, it's so hot that my hairs are sticking. Okay, so I'm not very sure if I'll keep my hairstyle like this, but I don't know. I also, so how does this look, guys? I think it will be very sunny, so something for the eyes, and yeah. So see you guys probably in the airport, and if not, in Kolkata. Bye bye. So guys, I completely forgot to have any food throughout the day. So we stopped in between the highway, just like maybe approximately 2 kilometers away from the airport. So I somehow got my Ola driver convinced that please get me something. So he's being sweet to me and he himself went to get me something. And even I'm not sure, I just told him get me anything, I'm gonna pay you. So we are in between the highway and he has crossed the 6 lane and he's trying to get me something. You all can see it is so hot. It is so hot, guys. I'm wondering how it might feel in Kolkata. But yeah, let's hope for the best and let's catch up probably in the airport. Yeah, see you. So my sister is here and we have finally come to Kolkata and that is my dad and I'm still a bit nervous. So though I mean my sister is trying to do a makeup on my face and let's see how that goes. Come, do it. এরকম ভাবে করলে ওরা কি করে দেখবে? I don't think so you guys can see but I'll try to relocate. Here is the final makeup which my sister has done on me and I look absolutely rubbish and I'll make sure by the end of today my sister also looks absolutely rubbish just like that. Come, do the rest of the makeup. আমার এতে আছে ব্যাগে আছে না দিতে পারি শুধু মুছে কেটে গেল এ জীবন সারা এ জীবন সারা খোঁজ না করি তবু কত কালাম রবদিশা Immense torture going on my face and I look absolutely rubbish as usual. After this is my turn to do a makeup on her face, so we'll see who does the better makeup. I think the eyes is pretty good. What do you think? Is the makeup complete? No. Some more time and then we'll see the result. And then after this I'll do a makeup on her face. So this is the final look, guys. How much will you rate your makeup out of 10?
10.
For me, from a customer POV, I think it is a straight 6 on 10. Because okay, I will give her like 7 on 10 because I'll tell you, she did not have concealer, neither did I. So I think it is okay. There was no highlighter. Yeah, there was no contour. There was like, it's very minimal products with only eyeshadow, and then I think this is the only one bindi that she did good, that changed the entire look, or else it is like a straight 7 on 10, not more than that. Now it is my turn. I will be showing you and she will be filming it partially and I'll show you what great artist I am. Come on, let's go with level. Come, let's follow. Are dada, bhul English hoye jacche. Now this is my turn to make her look as devastating as I am looking right now. So let's go for it.
Hello.
Bol.
Hello.
Hello bolechu?
আচ্ছা আমরা এখন
English. No, English or Hindi. This is how the makeup turned out. I think it is better. Sit down. You're overacting. Okay, so I think this is how it looks. I mean, her eyes are very beautiful. So like, it is looking so nice. And also my makeup, of course. It is me after all who did this art on the face. It has to look good. So you tell me, how much will you rate this makeup? You have to look at the camera. Camera is here.
ক্যামেরায় তাকালে নিজেকে দেখব
No, you don't look at yourself. You just have to look at the camera.
6
6 out of 7.
10
Don't you think, I mean, her makeup is better than my makeup? Yeah.
No.
Close your eyes. I think it is pretty good. I think it's a 7 only. So both of us are like 7 on 10. Even I gave her 7, even she gave me 7. So it works, right?
No.
Anyways, I'm not talking to her. So now the plan is, what is the plan? So I don't know what is the plan, guys. You can see the luggage is kept there. I just landed yesterday at around 11:45, I think. And then, why are you looking at me? So by the way, she is my sister. Though whoever don't know her, I mean, of course, like this is my technically the first vlog at home, so I'm sure that you're not supposed to know her, but she's my sister, and I am gonna be here for 2 weeks, and I'm trying to vlog almost every day. So from tomorrow, I'm also planning that. Um, my mom will be opening a YouTube channel for cooking. Yes. By the way, she just got her 10th board exam results and she got a solid 89%. So I'm like, we all are like really, really excited for her. And yeah, though she was expecting, I think, a little bit more, but right? Yeah. So probably she was expecting a little bit more, but anyways, so 12th exam is there and she will do her very best. So what is the plan now? So technically there is no plan.
না মাকে দেখ
So tomorrow we are planning.
না না মাকে দেখাবো মেকআপটা জিজ্ঞেস করবো কারটা বেশি ভালো হচ্ছে
Really? So she's telling that you can tell. No, I don't know if my followers understand Bengali, but since we are Bengalis, anyways, it's okay to talk in Bengali. So আমরা প্ল্যান করছি যে আমাদের ও বলছে যে মা আসলে নাকি মাকে মেকআপটা দেখাবে, and then mom is supposed to rate whichever makeup is looking good. So basically, if I did a better job on her face or if she did a better job on my face, so that is the main. Yeah. So yeah, let's see, let's wait for mom, and so I'll make sure to take this in YouTube and I will make sure to edit this. Anyways, see you guys in the later clip. Hi guys, so back with a quick update. My mom is late and she has successfully removed the makeup, but I have the makeup still on my face. All this long we were like singing songs and having a bit of fun, but now what we will do is we will be removing the makeup and we'll not wait for my mom's update. We'll just we'll just go with the flow and we'll closing the vlog today for the day, and then we'll get back tomorrow with something exciting. I'll let you know if mom finally decides to open the channel and if we actually be able to successfully complete everything, then I will definitely let you guys know. And till then, bye guys, see you. I think the light is much better this way, but yeah, see you guys, bye.